Hi everyone, today we are showing you how to wash a topper in the sink. This is a way that you are able to wash your topper if you do not have a mannequin head. We would recommend washing on a mannequin head to keep everything laying flat and smooth. However, you can't always have a mannequin head. So what we would do is fill up our sink with tepid water, so not too hot, not too cold. We're going to be using the Beverly Moisture Sensors Hydrating Shampoo. And really it's about lathering up the water and creating some bubbles in the sink and then immersing the topper into the water. And you're going to just be dipping the topper into the shampoo. Repeat this a couple of times until you can see that all the water is all the way through and that the soap suds as well are all the way through. The recommended wash time for toppers and wigs is about 6 to 8 wears. So usually this is when you would wash your topper, and that is based on a all-day wear every day. However, if you've only worn your topper a couple of times in between that, you can extend the wash. So we recommend one shampoo is fine. If you have extended that wash a little bit and it is quite dirty, you might want to repeat this process. We're then rinsing any of that excess shampoo out of the topper. Next, we're going to be doing the conditioner. So this is also done in the sink. So now my sink is full. The conditioner is going to be one pump of that, or a 50-cent size piece, and into the water. So when you're holding your topper while washing, you're placing your thumb over the part. That way it keeps the part nice for you, but you've also got a good grip on when you're washing the hair. So for our conditioner, we are just dunking the mid-lengths and ends. We're not covering any of the cap in any conditioner. It's just the mid-lengths and ends. The reason we are not getting any conditioner through the cap is because we don't want those knots to loosen and weaken over time. We're then using a wide tooth comb just to comb through that conditioner in the hair. So then we're going to rinse the conditioner thoroughly from the mid-lengths and ends. And then your drying part, you're going to wrap this in a towel and just squeeze any excess water throughout. And then this can be left to dry naturally, or you can dry it with a hairdryer yourself.